What if your website is turning customers away before they ever contact you? Many business owners think having a website is enough, but visitors decide fast. If your site loads slowly, looks outdated, or feels confusing, people leave. And when they leave, they usually don't come back. They choose a competitor instead. Poor mobile experience, hard to find information, and weak calls to action can quietly cost you leads every day. Your website should do more than exist. It should guide visitors, build trust, and turn interest into action. A professionally optimized website creates a smoother experience from the first click. Clear messaging, modern design, faster performance, and stronger calls to action help visitors take the next step. That means more calls, more form submissions, more bookings, and more real opportunities for your business. Don't let your website silently cost you customers. Contact Online Marketing Media today and turn your website into a customer-generating machine.